Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel, and I'm here with another video. And in today's video I'm going to talk about this genset. This is a Perkin 100 kVA genset. I got a complaint that when we start the engine and after starting and after some seconds it automatically become off. So I came on this site and I'm going to check, and in front of you I will start this genset and will check what is the issue to this one. Start. So you can see we have started this genset and going to check what is the issue to this genset, what it becoming off after some time. First of all, you can see here is a 12.6 voltage, so it is not charging, so you can it automatically become off. And the viewers, you saw in front of you it automatically become off. The problem actually this alternator, this is not charging, so therefore its engine is automatically become so viewers off. In off camera I have removed this alternator from this genset from here. Okay, so I have an other alternator with me, a spare alternator. I will fix that alternator here because this genset is urgently needed, and after fixing that alternator we will check our engine is become off or not. If not off, it's mean is really the problem this alternator is, it is not charging. This one is spare alternator. Here you can see I have fixed back this alternator. Now I'm going to start the generator and we'll check. Okay, I fixed back everything. So now we are going to start. First I put it at engine. Engine is coming. 13 volt is showing. I'm going to start it. Start. So viewers, you can see my engine is still working. It is in starting position, and it means my this alternator is now working. Therefore the engine is not becoming off. It is not stopping because alternator is working. So it means the problem was this alternator. So you can see here is also 13.8 voltage showing. So now I will show you alternate. Also I will show you the voltage on the battery by using the multimeter. So as you can see, on the battery side is a 14 voltage are coming. Okay, so it's mean my now this alternator is a good one, and this is charging the battery. Therefore you can see my engine is still working. It's not going off because the problem was that alternator was not good. Viewers, you saw now my problem has solved and everything is okay. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends. So see you in next video. Take care of yourself and also my channel.